Welcome back to the American Garage, and I'm here today to unveil our new project, the restoration of an Audi Coupe GT. On this project, what we're going to focus on is paint, body, interior, and sprucing up the mechanicals. On this car, it's fairly mechanically sound. We're going to have to go through all the systems and make sure everything's okay. But the big offenders are the cosmetics. The paint is going bad and the interior is atrocious. So on this project on the American Garage, we're going to get into how to best utilize a paint shop to get the paint job done. Now you may say, Steve, well, why don't you do it yourself? And I would love to do that, but I want a very special color and a metallic color on this car. So I don't have the skill or experience to paint metallic and have it look good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the process of how you can prepare a car for the paint shop and save yourself some money that way. First thing we need to do is disassemble the car. Now, as you can see, I'm going to give you a view of the whole car. The car is looking pretty good. This car came from California, so it has no rust on it, and that was one of the main attractions. Now, I also want to give a shout out to Tomas, who has European auto repair in the San Francisco area. He's the one I bought the car from, and he was very knowledgeable and very friendly. So let me give a shout out to him, and he's not paying me anything to say this, but you know, hey, if you need a good mechanic in the San Francisco area, why don't you look Tomas up? I also had a really good experience with Diamond Auto Transport. Albert and his gang over there did a great job. They were very professional, courteous, friendly, and the car arrived very promptly. He had it on the truck the day that I bought the car and had it shipped to me, and it was here in days, not weeks or months. So thank you, Albert, for that. If you need a good auto transport guy, check out Albert and his crew at Diamond Auto Transport. So I spent about the last 3 days stripping everything off the car. I've taken the interior out, I've taken the windows out, I've removed the bumpers and the lights and the door handles, the window seals, everything on the exterior of the car that is going to need to be out of the way for the paint job. So the next thing is going to be to bring the car to the paint shop. We've got about a week to wait before the painters are ready for me. And in that time, I'm going to be looking for some new bumper covers, new headlights, because I don't like the style of the ones I have, and also a rear spoiler, a rear wing on it that looks decent without looking tacky. So those are going to be the things I'm going to be doing this next week, and so we'll see what we find. All right, now I know you may be upset because I didn't let you watch me take it apart. It's just unscrewing things, basically, and popping things off. So that's not what this video is about. It's just about the process, okay? Now the main thing that we're doing it this way is because I'll save myself a lot of money on the paint shop by doing all this labor ahead of time for them. And they're not going to reassemble the car. I'm going to reassemble the car, and you'll get to watch me do that. So here we are, ready for the next phase. Until next time, this is Steve from the American Garage.
Thanks for watching the American Garage. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.